your quantum success team, which is your conscious mind and your unconscious mind. How many people know they've got a conscious mind? Great. How many people know you've got an unconscious mind? Brilliant. Excellent. In fact, the unconscious mind, Alexandra was talking about it in a way when she talked about intuition. Intuitions come from your unconscious mind. And these are your success team. So you'll notice the two minds work in very different ways. And they have a different role to play in goal achievement, which is what tonight's about. Tonight's not about goal setting, it's about goal achievement. And you notice there's a difference with that. So the role of your conscious mind in the quantum success team is to answer the question, what? What is it that you want? That's all. Only the what. What do you want to have? What do you want to do? And what do you want to be in the future? That's the only question that the conscious mind's job is. The unconscious mind's job is the how. Now, a big mistake that a lot of people make when they're setting goals is they go, well, this is what I want, but I don't know how to get that, so there's no point setting it. Or they start thinking consciously how to achieve their goal. And that's not the conscious mind's job. You know, you also all said, was there a time that you followed your intuition and it turned out right and you all put your hands up? That's the unconscious mind's job. And if I ask you another question, how many people here have been faced with a major situation in their life, major problem in their life, you had no clue what to do? An idea popped in your mind and you went, no, it can't be that simple. I've got to sit down, work out a logical, rational, sensible approach to follow to solve this particular situation. And you sat down, you worked it out, and you went, right, that's my plan. And you followed it, and at some point in time, after you started following it, you said to yourself, I wish I'd just done the first thing I thought of. How many people have done that? First thing you thought of came from your unconscious mind. That's your unconscious mind's job. So, the conscious mind is the goal setter. Your unconscious mind is the goal getter. It's a little bit like, cross-channel ferry. Conscious mind is the captain. The unconscious mind is the crew. Now, if the crew show up, but the captain's not there, that ferry's not going to be leaving port. But if the captain showed up and the crew wasn't there, that ship's not going to be leaving port. They're both important, but they do different jobs. The captain tells the crew where to sail the ferry. But it's the crew that actually sail, not the captain. All the captain does is give instructions. And that's the role of your conscious mind in the quantum success team. Okay? So, goal setting, this is the first thing really to get, is that goal setting is just about what. The first step is, what do you want? Forget anything to do with, yeah, but how am I going to get it? Just what? So what goal setting is about defining a destination, not a route. That's all. Destination, not a route. You don't need, at this particular point in time, to know what the route is. Because, one of my students, Sally Toy, she did the Achievement Accelerator. Somebody won the place on the Achievement Accelerator. And she did the Achievement Accelerator with me several years ago, and this was her goal. Her goal was to be Virgin Atlantic's first female 747 captain. But she had no clue how she was going to do it. I saw her a couple of weekends ago at one of my gigs I was doing. Let's make 2010 our best year yet. And guess what? She's Virgin Atlantic's first female 747 jumbo pilot. And this is something that she'd say. And, I think all of you have been on a plane, or imagine what it's like to be on a plane. You take off at a particular airport, and you know that your destination is place B. Somewhere else in the country, somewhere else in the world. How many different routes are there of going from A to B?
Infinite.
Infinite. Absolutely. Infinite. But, you don't think about the route when you get on the plane.